Today let's see how to make this beautiful earrings with beads. Simple and easy. So without wasting time, let's start.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Your Crochet.
For this project, I'm going to use Anchor's pearl cotton size 8 thread, 1 mm hook, earring hooks, beads, scissors. Before starting, you need to thread in beads. For each earring, you will require 10 beads. To start with, make a foundation chain, slip knot and 6 chains. Join to form a ring. Chain 3. As we are going to work double crochets, we are not going to count this chain 3. Work 5 double crochets into the ring. Yarn over and pull up through 2 loops. Again pull through 2 loops. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 3. Slip knot into the same ring. So first step is done. For the next step, again we are going to work chain 3. Turn your work. Now we are going to work in this space that is formed by the chain 3. So yarn over and work 2 double crochets into the same space. The space formed by the chain 3. Now we are going to add the bead. We will complete the double crochet with the bead. So yarn over, insert, pull up, pull through 2 loops. Before pulling through the next 2 loops, we will attach the bead. Again chain 3 into the same space, work a slip knot. Now we are again going to repeat the 5 double crochets. So chain 3. This will be our repetition till we reach 10 set of pattern. Yarn over, work 5 double crochets into the chain space. The space formed by the chain 3. Into this we will be working around the chain 3. Four, 5 double crochets, chain 3, slip stitch into the same space. Again we are going to repeat the double crochet set with the bead. So chain 3, turn your work. Now again we are going to work around the chain 3 that we made in the previous step. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2. Now we are again going to attach the bead. So bring in the bead, work the double crochet, complete the double crochet with the bead. Chain 3, slip knot. So we are just going to repeat this until we have 10 beads. Chain 3, turn your work, 5 double crochets, four and 5 double crochets, chain 3, slip knot, chain 3, turn your work, 2 double crochets around the chain 3, and the third double crochet with the bead. Chain 3 and slip knot. So just repeat this until we have 10 beads. So here I have finished attaching all the 10 beads, but the last set we won't be finishing off with the chain 3. Instead we will be working only till 3 double crochets. After that we are going to attach it to the first part to form the ring shape to finish off our earring. Hold the work in this manner and insert into the 6 chains loop that we made and pull up and finish off a slip stitch. Now work chain 3 to finish off the set of double crochets using the bead. Insert into the space, chain 3 space. Along with that we will insert into the first chain 3 space also. The starting chain 3 space that we made, and pull up and pull through and finish off the slip knot. Chain 1 and cut the hide in the loose ends and your earrings will be ready. So earring is almost ready. Attach the jump ring between the two 5 double crochet sets. Secure the jump ring. The earring is ready. So here our earrings are ready. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.